Okay, now I'm going outside to the back parking lot to see what's going on out here. I hope I can walk. Piles and piles of snow. Kind of hard to see, but look at this. All the cars are buried, pretty much. I want to find my car. Hopefully I can find it. It's very inside. Look at this mountain of snow right here. This is what it feels like to be in a blizzard. Wind gusts or 50 miles per hour. Okay. Now here is my car. Right here. It's like to be in a blizzard. There's another mountain of snow right here. I'm having trouble walking. Look at this. Check that out. Look at that. Fun, fun, fun. I'm the only one out here in this parking lot. Okay, I'm going to go back in. Look at this. Okay, I've had my fun for now. Adios.